Hello my friends, welcome back to my e-estate video. In today's video, I want to let you know that e-estate is real. The properties that we are purchasing, a fraction of it, it is real. And we have real people as well with legitimate income coming from e-estate. So for those of you that are asking if e-estate is real, yes, the answer is 100% yes. E-estate is real. And just to prove to you that e-estate is real, they are having their first summit on the 31st of January, which is this month, 2026, in Miami. And you are more than welcome to meet the executives, team leaders, and other members of e-estate in Miami if you are able to make it to Miami. Meanwhile, there is a registration document to show you and prove to you that e-estate is real, right? This is one of the documents from Panama because originally e-estate has been registered in Panama and there is a legal documentation proving that e-estate is registered in Panama. And of course, you can see that the names that are listed here as the director are Brandon Stevenson, Mike Hamilton, and Carol Peterson. And not just only that, they have the certificate of partnership with Association of Real Digital Realtors, which is ARODRO, and Carol Peterson, as you can see from there. And this is again another legal entity identifier certificate for e-estate. And they have a lot of documentation to support and back everything that is happening in e-estate. Not just that, you can even earn up to 10 cash flows for just one individual if you decided to join e-estate today, all in one platform, right? So you can earn between 0.3 to 1% on a daily basis if you join today with the link below this video description. There is also a 5 investors level and also 8 level agent commissions for people that are agent in e-estate. There is 10 career ranks for agents, and of course you can become property owner and of course as an agent as well, all in one single platform. So if you would like to join today, you are more than welcome to do so and join this tokenized real estate that is built for everyone. Okay, it's a global platform that turns real property into digital tokens. So anyone can start small and you grow and scale up your portfolio as we speak. People are purchasing fractional real estate in e-estate. As you can see from here, this is the business development in Dubai. Here you can start with an investment of $255,700, and there is also another real estate that you can purchase. This one is the development real estate in Dubai, and this you will need $99,250 to participate in this one, and the profit is just amazing. They have the LA land plots. This one you can start with a minimum of $51,310, and there is also another business real estate in LA where you can start with only $24,590. There is also the one in Phoenix, is the commercial real estate in Phoenix. This one you can start with $10,270, and this is another one that is called Villa in LA. This you can start with $3,120. In fact, this is one of the real estates that I have in my portfolio. For those of you that are watching my video, you would have noticed that I have this as part of my portfolio, just so you know, if you want to start today and you want to, get started with the Villa real estate, you are more than welcome to do so. There is also this that you can start with a minimum of $480. This is a house, and this is a good real estate that you are supposed to start with if you don't have the money to do the one that is called Villa in LA. This one is a bit $3,120. If you know you don't have that money, you can start with a minimum investment of $480 for the house real estate or the house property, right? This is the apartment in Seattle. This one is really fantastic because they are offering at the moment, minimum to start this one is $117. I believe anybody watching this video will have about $117 to get started with this one. Now, to make things so much easy for everybody, they are now bringing down the investment entry to $10 for apartment in Miami. You will own a piece of it, and that piece of it is what is going to be earning you on a daily basis 0.42% on a weekly basis. Okay, that is what you will be earning on average on a daily basis, 0.42% if you invested your $10 today just to get started, and then you can scale up afterwards, right? Now, they are not just investing, right? We are not just investing in this platform. People are also withdrawing their profits. Okay, so this is real. It's not made up, right, by anybody. These are real people. These are real profits that are being withdrawn and is being processed, okay, every single day. As you can see, this our member made a withdrawal of $485, and then there is another one that made $302 withdrawal, and then there is another one that made $862 dollars withdrawal, and there is this one that made $489 withdrawal, and then the last but not the least, this one made over $1,175 withdrawal from the purchase of one or two of these real estate that I've just shown you, right? So this is real. If you are looking for a platform that is going to give you that cash flow on a daily basis, Mondays to Friday, this is the place you have to be. The link to join is below this video description if you wish to join me in estate in 2026. This is where you need to be. This is where you are going to be earning your money consistently, and the transparency they have in this platform is just out of this world, right? So they have real people from real community that you can join on Telegram, on Facebook, on TikTok, or even on WhatsApp. You can join any of our community in those social media channels, and then you can meet the real people that are actually investing in estate. And of course, you will also have the opportunity to chat with top leaders and of course the executives of estate. If you to go that far of speaking with the executive of this platform, you are more than welcome to do so if you join the platform today. So yes, estate is real. The real estates, which is the properties they are offering for us to purchase fraction of each of these properties, they are real properties as well. Okay, as I said, summit coming around towards the end of this month in Miami. You have that opportunity to come and meet these people and see them face to face, right? Shake hands with them, break bread with them, and then drink with them if you so wish to do so. So the link to join is below this video description, and I look forward to seeing you in my real world in real estate. Thank you. God bless.